All right, guys, 1991 Chevy Corvette. This is what it sounds like, factory, bone stock. Go ahead. These Corvettes come with 3 catalytic converters and 2 stock mufflers. So we're gonna change the third cat for a high flow that you guys see in that box. And then we're gonna do a muffler delete and put some 3-inch tips to complete the look. But here's what it sounds like. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at 91. Again. So we'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, so it's a 91 Chevy Corvette, all stock, factory. This is what it looks like after we just finished with it. Got factory converter there, factory converter there. Used to have a third converter there that is somewhere. Anyways, that we cut off and put a high flow in its place. But these come with an EGR tube, as you guys can see there. You just run it right after the cat because it comes after the cat. And then we had a 3-inch sleeve. Then it's dualed out from the factory like this. And what we did is a rear muffler delete there. And there, into some 3-inch roll tips. There and there. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. It's really clean for a 91. Look at that. It got normal tears. You know, leather gets old over time. But it's all there, all original. Look at that. Door panels, hood, everything. Nice. At least it has a hood. No. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Much better. Chevy Corvette. Right at 114. That sounds so good. Again? Yeah, sounds phenomenal, guys. It's so deep. Man, that sounds so good. What do you guys think? 91 Corvette straight pod. Let you guys hear on the inside. '91 Vet, baby. Straight pipe with high flow cats. For a 91, it's very, very clean. Got your sun faded, you know, front bumpers, that's normal. We made it shine and look good.